first you need a small cube. If you don't have one, watch this video and make one out of cardboard. Making the cube, we will color it. After coloring it, well, on all sides, give it a fine outline so that it looks like a small Rubik's Cube. Now, people can see that it looks like a small Rubik's Cube. Now, it's time to turn it into a Rubik's Cube kitchen. So for this, first of all, whatever kitchen ring is available with you, we will use that only. Like I am using Naruto keychain here. You can use any keychain here. So, first of all, let's take it out. After removing this, we will make a hole in one corner of our small cube. After carefully drilling the holes, insert this small piece. And then attach the keychain to it. Once assembled, your Rubik's Cube keychain is ready.
कमरे में घुसता जैसे हाथी टेबल बैठा तो फिर गांधी करते मोटा चार शो का होते दंगे चलती लाठी हमने हार से सीखा और सीखों से जीत बना दी सोना था हराम तभी तो किस्मत हो रही चांदी चांदी आई मीन एक दिन रहता दिल्ली दूजे दिन मैं बैठा बाली पंगा चीते से तो समझो रास्ता बिल्ली काटे काली आई कैन सी थ्रू ऑल ऑफ देम ये रैपर सबके सब है जाली जब जब पैरी मांगे पैर तब तब पैरी मांगे पानी you know